I'm going to show you how to remove this right here is the tail light for Ford Explorer XLT. This is Ford, the 2005, the Ford Explorer 2005. So what you need, guys, is just simple. Just replace the light or replace the whole unit. It's easy. So you just look for Phillips. So I look for a Phillips screwdriver. So you put there's two Phillips, one right here and then one just down below here. So what you do is you come right there, you take that one out, you take that one out, then you take this right here. That one comes like that, guys. You can gently pull this guy right here. Once you pull that, guys, it just opens up like this. So you can decide if you want to pull it out completely or you just want to change the light. If you just changing the light, guys, you just turn this one anti-clockwise. You take the light out. Once you do that, guys, you can take that out, and then at the same time you can take this one out because there are only two lights. There is a backup light and these are the only two lights. So once that is done, you can just put it away. You have this one out, so if you want to put a new one, you can do that. You can just install a new one. So there you go. There's a part number right there. But if you just want to replace the bulbs alone, so what you do, guys, is you just come right here and then you can just take out just like that. So the bulbs comes out like that, and then you can get new ones and then you can install them. And once they are all in there, guys, you can do the necessary. So same applies to this. You just pull them out, just pull them back there. Okay, right here. It's the same, has the same things, the same double filament. Now once you get that, guys, I think that's the part number. It should be 3157 for this light. Once you have that, guys, I think you're good to go.